What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to try to pick this new Schlage Deadbolt that I just got off of Craigslist for $8. It's pretty nice lock. I haven't been able to get into it yet, but I do know how many pins are in it and what kind of pins, because unfortunately this little retaining nut on the back here, I didn't have it originally on there when I had it set up in the vise for the first shoot. Went and put the key in there, tried to turn it to see, make sure everything was working good, and went to pull the key out, and yeah, cylinder and everything came out, so I had to put all the pins back in there. There's 4 spools and 1 standard in there. It is ready for a 6th one, but until I get this thing picked, I'm not going to worry about putting a 6 pin in there. So anyways, let's see what I can do. Go on top of the keyway on this thing. Oh, gym style. Homebrew. Get this puppy to focus. Let's see what we can do here. Come on. There we go, nice little turn. Ooh, nice deep false set on that. lost my false set on that one. Let's see if I got a little bit of a back on that one. Oh, did we get it open? Yeah. Oh, cool. You guys have no many ideas how many takes I've taken on this. But that is the first time I've gotten this lock open. I'm super excited about it. You know what? If you guys want to stop watching from there, that's fine. But I'm going to decoy this thing just so you guys can see what's in it. Whew. Man, that was awesome. I didn't think I was ever going to get this stupid thing open. Come on, focus. Yeah. After the last video, I took a piece of cardboard and made a little poor man's pin tray out of it. Let's see if we can prop this camera up here. You guys can see my messy ass bench. Alright, let's see where my pin's at. Super excited I got this puppy open. There's the first one, spool. 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 Standard. And spool. So there you guys go. Not a bad little lock for $8, I'd say. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, keep it legal and have fun. Later.